Alright, so I got some good news and I got some bad news. The good news, if you haven't already noticed, I have the sound quality normal. So there's no static, as far as I know. And bad news is, you just take a look-see here. Well, there's my file now. I mean, whoa, I left it on for 10 hours. Anyway, my file got overwritten. Because I'm a turd. So, this is what I have to work with. This here file is from, well, a little while ago. Notice that the time here is almost 42, 42, 42. That's purposely why I saved it. Because I was going to show my friend who is obsessed with the number 42. And it is because of that I never had a complete loss when I overwrote my file. So I'm sort of happy about that. And here is my file now. There's not really much of a difference at all, you know, just a bit more gill. That's about it. So just wanted to tell you guys, 'cause it kind of sucks. I mean, this here mission right there, 1,000 Shinra troops. Yeah, that took me about an hour and a half to do, so I don't know, maybe I'll record it. That'd be a really stupid idea though. It'd be in so many parts. So yeah, that's all I wanted. I'll talk to you later. Peace.